Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brian256. In this video I'm gonna guide you on how to set up solid internal VPN on your phone. This VPN is gonna help you to secure your internet connection when you're browsing on the internet, okay? So you can find it on your Play Store, okay? Go to your Play Store where you install your Android apps from and search for solid internal UDP, okay? The developers of this app are Chibero Data and some other group. So what you need to do, you can try to visit out their website to get more information about it. You can use it to secure your internet. So let's click to open it up. Click later. So in case it is your first time to use it, what you need to do is to come and click here on updates, to update and fetch the servers that will help you to secure your internet when you're using it. So after you have successfully updated it, you shall be able to fetch the servers which can secure your internet. Let me first click to disconnect it. Let's check out this part. So you can as well click here to update. You can also choose to update it using the offline update. You can check from here the progress if it is getting connected, okay? So you have to click here and choose the server. I refer you to use the second one because it is very fast when securing internet, okay? So another one could be this. Come and click here and choose out your country, because you choose out your country and make sure that you choose out the right SIM card that you're using to secure your internet. So I'm using Airtel and I want to use this to secure my internet. This, if you're in Uganda, I refer you to use this one to secure your internet. So let's click to test. It is very fast. Let's go and test it on YouTube and see. Let me go and search for Brian256. Let me try to play one video. I think you can see the web pages are opening very fast. It is very fast and safe. Thank you so much for watching. I sign out. If you find any challenges or any question, feel free to reach me out in the comment section.